Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recent, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the buttons, then you will simply have to tap on the button with, I believe, 3 bars icon or square icon. But probably 3 bars icon. So this is how to enter the recent, so let me do it. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. And if you'd like to, you can remove them one by one manually, just by swiping them to the right or to the left. It doesn't really matter. But if you do not have time to do it, and if you'd like to do it with only one click, then just tap on this X button right in the middle. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.